Hi friends, welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi friends, I love making puppets. You can make a puppet out of anything. You can even make a puppet out of a brown bag. Hey, would you like to make a bag puppet with me? You would? Great! Come on! So first, we need a brown bag. Just like this one. It's our brown bag. Then, we need a pair of scissors. Ask a big person for help with scissors, with cutting. I'm going to use my scissors and cut a hole in the bag. That's going to be the mouth. There we go. Now let's give our bag a face. You could use a marker or crayons. First we need some eyes. Are you ready? Let's put some big eyes on this puppet. You say, big eyes. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, friends. Big eyes. There we go. I'll give him some little eyebrows here. And how about a little nose? You say it. Little nose. How about a big happy mouth? There we go. Big happy mouth. Oh wow, I like that big happy mouth. This of course is easier to do on a table, but that's okay. There we go. He's a happy puppet. You know what else? Let's give our puppet some hair. What can we use as hair? Well, you could use yarn, you could use a sock, you could just use some tissue paper or cotton balls. I'm just going to use some old shoelaces. Why not? I have my shoelaces, and I have a piece of tape. I'm just going to take that hair, my shoelace hair, right on top. There we go. There we are. We just made a bag puppet. Now, let's make our bag puppet come alive. Let's use our imagination. Are you ready? Will you help me make our bag puppet come alive? Here we go. Let's count to 3 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Meet Baggy. It's Baggy the puppet. Let's say hi to Baggy. You say it. Hi, Baggy. Very good. Hi, how you doing, Mr. Craig? We did it. We made Baggy come to life with our imagination. Hi, friends. How you doing? Hey, Baggy. How are you today? Doing great. What did Baggy say? You say, doing great. That's it. I'm hungry. Oh, Baggy is hungry. Let's give Baggy some food. That sounds good. I'm Glad you like that idea, Baggy. For food, we could just use pictures of food. We can cut some pictures out of a magazine. We can get some pictures online. Or we can just use little flashcard pictures. Oh, here's a hot dog. You say, hot dog. Very nice. Let's tell Baggy to eat the hot dog. You tell him. You say, eat hot dog. Very nice. Here you go, Baggy. Would you like a hot dog? Yes, please. Oh, let's feed him the hot dog. Yummy. Did Baggy like the hot dog? You say, yes. That's it. May I have some more food, please? Sure, Baggy. What else should we feed Baggy? How about a banana? You say it. Banana. That's it. What should Baggy do? Let's tell Baggy with our big teeth smile. Say, eat. That's it. Nice job, friends. Here we go. Ready, Baggy? Ready, Mr. Craig. Here we go. Eat. Yummy. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's see. So let's see what else we have for Baggy. I bet you he's probably still hungry. Yep, still hungry. Okay. What else do we have for you? How about some... Oh, here's one of my favorites. How about spaghetti and meatballs? That's a really tricky word to say. Let's give it a try. Ready? Start with a big snake sound. Spaghetti. Ready? Let's try it again. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. And meatballs. Okay, let's tell Baggy to eat. You tell him. You say, eat. Let's make an eating sound. Num 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 num. Yummy. That was delicious. Oh, I'm glad you liked it, Baggy. That means very, very good. Very yummy. Delicious. Why don't you try, friends? Delicious. That's right. That's what we say when something is very, very yummy. Okay. I'm still hungry. Oh, okay, Baggy. Let's get some more. Here's one of my favorite treats. Strawberries. Say it. Strawberries. That's it. Ready? Let's tell Baggy. You tell him. Eat. That's it. Let's tell him. Say, here you go. Eat. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Thank you, Mr. Craig. Well, you're welcome, Baggy. This is a lot of fun playing with our bag puppet. Let's give Baggy one more something to eat. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's give Baggy a hamburger. You say it. Hamburger. Very nice. I'm ready for my hamburger. Oh, good. Here we go. Let's give that hamburger to Baggy. Let's do this. Here we go. You tell Baggy. Hey. Eat. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Thank you, Mr. Craig. You're welcome, Baggy. That was so much fun making a bag puppet. Thanks for playing today, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. I'll see